Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to set up automatic renewal fee invoicing on TenantCloud. To get started, go to the Properties tab in the upper left corner and select View on the property that you wish to add the renewal fee invoicing to. Select the Owners tab and scroll down to the section titled Renewal Fee. From here, we're going to select Add, and we're going to see that we now have the option to enter a one-time renewal fee. You'll select this option if you want the system to automatically create a lease renewal fee transaction every time when you go through the renew lease process. The transaction is posted once the renewed lease is created and signed. To get started, simply select the toggle, select whether you want to charge a flat amount or a percentage of the rent. And in this case, we're going to charge a 20% renewal fee for the new rent amount on the renewed lease. Once you've done that, simply select Update, and congratulations, you have set up a automatic renewal fee invoice on TenantCloud. So going forward, any leases that you renew will automatically generate an invoice for 20% of the new lease amount for the renewed lease. It is important to note that if you want to have the system automatically charge this invoice, you're going to need to use the actual renew lease feature on TenantCloud. I'll go ahead and show you that right now. Simply select the contacts button, which defaults to tenants, and then select the profile card for the tenant that you wish to view their lease that you're going to be renewing. Next, select the leases tab on the tenant card to find the lease that you wish to renew. In this case, we're going to renew lease 111, which is currently active. We'll select to view that lease. From here, we'll select the renew button. From here, we'll select Yes, I'm sure and go through the renew lease flow, which will automatically trigger that automatic lease renewal invoice that the system will generate once this renewal is completed. And that is how easy it is to set up an automatic lease renewal fee on TenantCloud. You can get started with a free trial by going to tenantcloud.com and clicking Sign Up today.